Kids Learning Hut. Hey kids, let's learn two-letter words. A, N, an. A, M, am. A, S, as. A, T, at. I, F, if. I, N, in. I, S, is. I, T, it. O, F, of. O, N, on. O, R, or. T, O, to. D, O, do. B, E, be. M, E, me. H, E, he. W, E, we. B, Y, by. M, Y, my. S, O, so. G, O, go. N, O, no. U, S, us. U, P, up. Let's learn three-letter words. C, A, T, cat. H, A, T, hat. M, A, T, mat. C, A, N, can. F, A, N, fan. V, A, N, van. H, E, N, hen. P, E, N, pen. T, E, N, ten. N, E, T, net. P, E, T, pet. W, E, T, wet. F, I, N, fin. P, I, N, pin. W, I, N, win. D, O, T, dot. H, O, T, hot. P, O, T, pot. C, U, T, cut. H, U, T, hut. N-U-T, nut. F-U-N, fun. R-U-N, run. S-U-N, sun. Now it's your turn. A-N, A-N, an. I-F, I-F, if. O-N, O-N, on. T-O, T-O, two. M-E, M-E, me. N-O, N-O, no. U-P, U-P, up. C-A-T, C-A-T, cat. F-A-N, F-A-N, fan. P-E-N, P-E-N, pen. N-E-T, N-E-T, net. P-I-N, P-I-N, pin. H-O-T, H-O-T, hot. C-U-T, C-U-T, cut. F-U-N, F-U-N, fun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.